Okay, so we have Maya here, and we will be using xgen now to create a dynamic here setup. So we could use tools here, but it's easier just to take the interface, which is, oops, sorry, not the UV editing, but the xgen. So we have all xgen tools here. Now, what I'll do is I'll grab my head here, delete this, scale it up, make a copy of this, Command D, Control D, go to faces. Basically now we'll create an area where the hair will be growing from. I'm not gonna, that's fine for us. Object mode, and this is our object. So now we create a new description. This probably would be our character name, our first hair setup, just a name, and we'll grab groomable splines because we want to make some grooming. So this is our hair. These brown ones are the hairs. You should set it up to update preview automatically unless your computer is not capable of doing that. Density, don't go crazy with that because your computer might die. The length. And so basically this is the beginning of our hair. Width of the hair. And this is the beginning, so we can start working with that. So we could decrease the width for our hair, like that. And we can turn off visibility for our guides, so we'll see only the resulting hair. Of course, you might want to have way more hair, depending on your computer. Can it handle it? So now maybe we don't like that the hair is, it starts thick and ends thick as well. So we'll go to primitives and we'll find a tapper. So the tapper is a parameter that can make it even wider or opposite, make it narrower. And where does the tapper start? Again, we can decide. So we change the appearance of the hair, might be more density for me. So now we want to brush our hair, so we go to pose, and basically we can start kind of preparing our hair to initial how it should look like. Again, check out the tools here. Let's see, don't I have too much here? No, it's fine. So we groom it a little bit till we like it. So you see, maybe it works a bit better here now, because I turn on visibility for guides, and probably it works just a bit faster like this, not showing all the tapper and all those things. This is not Donald Trump, by the way. And we continue working like that. So try out all our buttons here, our brushes, how do they work, how do they affect your hair. Like the bend and orient, all all of them, test them out. So let's pretend we're happy with our groom. We can look at modifiers. So here under modifiers we can add some modifiers like a noise, for instance, and what it does, it kind of add noise. You can control it here a bit, you know, the tips. There's a root and a tip, so maybe it starts you know, straight, and then at the root, at the tip, it increases, or whichever way you want. Oh, that's crazy. I'm just creating more points. You don't need more points. Anyways, so that's a noise. You could also add a clumping, so it's kind of making hair kind of stick together. Where's our clumping? Here, clumping. So for that we need clumping. Where is it? We need to generate a map. Set up maps. And location will work, I think. Save, yeah. Guides not found. Preview guides. Oops. So generate the guides. I forgot to generate the guides here under creating the map. And those guides are where the hair will kind of stick together a little bit. So it's a sort of greasy hair. Now, next thing what we want to do is to basically have it a dynamic thing. So again, we create a modifier, and it's anim wires. Okay, nothing happens. Again, create maps. So here want to generate the splines. So basically those are the ones that are dynamic and they will be generated. So the more you have, the more realistic it will be, the more it will be harder for your computer to work, and so on. So I'll just increase it a little bit, generate, and that's it. And now we need to create a hair system, make sure it snaps to the base surface and it collides with the mesh, so the scalp, and make curves dynamic. Now wait a bit, and next thing we do, we attach a hair system. And you see the guides are animating, and slowly the other hair are following as well. Let us hide the yellow stuff. Grooming, visibility. Okay, so now these are the animated ones, and this is the resulting thing. So if I play animation, it tries to already kind of work. Now, of course, I could animate the character, and the hair would follow, you know, the character's motion. I should have made more splines for animation. So let's try doing that.